Очень близко и легко. Близко и легко.
City engineer. This is the corner of 58th and James. You can see these drains are barely working. Would you please come out and fix them? It's been like this since we bought our house 4 years ago, and every time it rains hard, the street floods. We'd appreciate it. Thanks.